Woman found dead along Black River shoreline. Businessman killed by gunman in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The body of a woman was found along the shorelines across from the St. Elizabeth Municipal Corporation building and Black River Courthouse on Monday morning. The deceased has been identified as Winsome Broomfield. According to the police, her body was discovered after persons following a trail of blood from the municipal corporation compound. More details to come following further investigations. Police investigators have launched a manhunt for a gunman who shot and killed a businessman at his establishment in Runaway Bay, St. Anne on Monday. The deceased is 36-year-old Dwayne Wilson, alias Chris or Bad Dad of Runaway Bay. Reports are that about 3:25 a.m., Wilson was at his establishment when a lone gunman came up to a window on the building and opened gunfire, hitting the businessman. The hoodlum then fled the scene. Residents who heard the gunshots alerted the police, and on their arrival, Wilson was seen inside his business place with gunshot wounds to the upper body. He was transported to hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack.